Hello, and welcome to the Nature Cure. Everyone wants fresh and youthful skin and hair, isn't it? But aging is a natural process that cannot be avoided. However, we can slow down the aging process by eating certain anti-aging foods. Today, let's see 10 such foods that will make you look younger. Number 1. Extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in antioxidants and healthy fats. It helps fight free radicals that cause cell damage and deteriorate skin tissue. Free radicals also cause heart disease, cognitive decline, and certain types of cancer. So start consuming extra virgin olive oil and protect yourself from all these ailments. Number 2. Blueberries. Among all the commonly eaten berries, blueberries contain the highest level of antioxidants. They are also rich in vitamins A and C, which makes them a superfood for your skin and hair. The antioxidants in blueberries help to prevent the breakdown of collagen and elastin, which results in sagging skin and wrinkles. 3. Broccoli. Broccoli is an excellent source of vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that protects your skin from the harmful effects of the sun. It also contains vitamin A, which helps in skin turnover and keeps your skin healthy and youthful. Eating broccoli regularly can also reduce the risk of developing age-related diseases like cataracts and macular degeneration. 4. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, which is a powerful antioxidant. It is also a great source of vitamin C and fiber. Beta-carotene gives sweet potatoes their vibrant orange color, and it is converted into vitamin A in the body, which helps in skin repair and renovation. Vitamin C, on the other hand, protects the skin from the sun's UV rays and maintains its elasticity. Number 5. Spinach. Spinach is one of the most nutrient-dense foods available. It contains high levels of chlorophyll, which is known to improve skin tone and texture by detoxifying the blood. Chlorophyll is also known to have anti-aging properties, and it helps in collagen production, which keeps the skin looking youthful and wrinkle-free. 6. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that has been shown to protect the skin from the harmful effects of the sun. Lycopene is also responsible for the red color of tomatoes. Consuming tomatoes regularly can help prevent wrinkles, age spots, and other signs of skin aging. 7. Papaya. Papaya contains enzymes that promote the growth of new cells and repair damaged skin tissues. These enzymes also help in digestion and absorption of nutrients, which further improves the health of your skin and hair. Papaya is also rich in vitamin C and beta-carotene, both of which are important for maintaining youthful and glowing skin. 8. Green tea. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants called polyphenols, which help protect the skin from environmental stressors and keep it looking young and healthy. It also contains amino acids that support collagen production and improve skin elasticity. 9. Avocado. Avocado is a great source of healthy fats, which is essential for maintaining the moisture barrier of the skin. This helps to keep the skin hydrated and prevents it from becoming dry and flaky. Avocado is also rich in vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that protects the skin from the harmful effects of the sun. Number